working on our head here. So now we're going to take some of this off in here, off this nose part, and work on and then we'll be able to figure out where we want our cheeks to go. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I'll be using this burr here for this. See, we're getting good shape on what we want for our nose here. So this has to go down. This has to go down a lot deeper, so we have a bridge to the nose. So a lot of this is going to come out, but we want to get this all shaped down before we figure out where our eyelids are going to go. Because if you go too high, then you have too big of a space down here. So you want to make sure you keep your eyelids low, and then you can move them up if you need to. But we don't do that until we get the cheeks set and the nose set pretty much where we want them. Then we know if we need to come down maybe a little lower, or if we want to go up a little higher. So you don't work on this part till you get your cheeks and your nose all set. And just work from side to side. That way it helps to keep it even on both sides. So we're going to continue working on that, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.